Oh! Oh, sorry, babe. All right, here we go, guys. Mrs. Propaganda's getting her new Redcat ready for her first drive.
It's alive.
It's on. Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Smooth? Mrs. Propaganda says it goes smooth. First scratch, oh no. Where are you going?
I'm getting some scratch for Christmas. Oh, okay.
Well, she's high centered. How are you liking it so far?
Good, I like it.
Yeah?
Easy on top of the little rocks.
Yeah.
It's fun.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna try out the Redcat Gen 8 Axe Edition for the very first time right here. I had to wrestle Mrs. Propaganda for it, but I was able to get it. She's gonna let me try it out. Let's see how it does. First up, the servo does feel nice and strong. Good. It's on the louder side, the way it sounds, but the axe system in it is really smooth. You barely need to give it any throttle. You can go just creep. So, wow, reverse has got a lot of power. So does forward. It's got slant, sling, and power, that's for sure. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to climb up this little obstacle here. Let's see. I think the tires are going to be a very big limiting factor. Well, you can hear them. The sand sliding. The body's hitting on something. Okay. Should I get our tire over there? Yeah, see the tires definitely sliding. Yeah. Not having any of that. Let's see if I can. There we go, there we go, there we go. I gave it a little bit of that brushless power. Getting kind of high centered here. May have to try to work around. There we go. The portals are helping with the clearance. Little bounce and woohoo, up we go. Not bad, guys, not bad. Let's come down here. Wow, you can really creep with it, wow. I really like this axe system. Feels really good. Wow, it's got a nice turning radius. Turning radius seems real nice. I just was able to make that. Yeah, I definitely think these tires are no good. It's the connection to the rocks. It's got a funny kind of feel to the connection to the ground. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think the limiting factor here, guys, is just the tires. But you can see, turns really good. Radio feels really nice in the hand. The initial first 2 minutes with the Redcat Gen 8, I'm impressed. I like it. Let's try to find something a little bit more gnarly to climb one more time. All right. Try something a little more gnarly here. Yeah, these tires are just not gonna cut it. Yeah, I don't want to mess up Mrs. Propaganda's truck just yet. Let's try something not as bad. With the mix of the sand and the cold. You know, there we go. Oh, there we go. Some brushless power, baby. Oh! Oh, sorry, babe. Oh,
That's it. Dinner for last week.
It's good. It's all good. Well, all right, guys, it looks like that's going to wrap it up for our first little drive. We don't have a lot of time, but we scoped out this little place. I figured we'd be able to get a quick little session in. I wanted you guys to be able to see it on the rocks and give you my first drive impressions. I seem to like it. It was nice. I think the tires definitely need to be swapped, but let's check with the big boss and see what she thinks. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in the video. Appreciate it. Leave us a like down below. Leave a comment what you think of this Redcat Gen 8 Axe Edition and whether or not you're interested in getting one. But you know the deal. We'll catch you in the next one. We're out.